I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so I can reach more people. So a lot of people are into Neville Goddard and his teachings. Well, what if I told you that you can learn to manifest anything in 3 steps? And that the 3 steps also includes his teachings automatically. By mastering the 3 steps to manifesting, you have also mastered Neville Goddard's teachings. This is how I manifest everything, and it has worked for me every time. So what are the steps? 1. Decide what you want. 2. Say what you want. And 3. As you say what you want, find a way to see, feel, know, or imply the having of it. That by saying you want it, it means that you want to have it. And in the moments you say you want it, see yourself as having it. It there with you, given to you, next to you, or you doing it or experiencing it. This is saying what you want with a focus on you having it, the having of it. The secret to manifesting is saying what you want to have, and as you do, capturing that focus on the having of it. Then after that, having no bad thoughts or contradictory opposite thoughts about it. Manifesting can be easy and happen fast once you understand and master the 3 steps. Your thoughts create. So repeat this new thought and make it dominant in your mind by repeating it. Say, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. That way, every time you say what you want, that means it will happen. It will happen means it will manifest and you will have it. For example, if I wanted a new girlfriend, I'd say, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want a new girlfriend now. I want a perfect new girlfriend for me now. I want her to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want instant results now. I want manifesting a girlfriend to be easy for me now. So easy. So what did me saying that just do? I just did the 3 steps automatically. Plus, I included all of Neville Goddard's teachings and what he's trying to describe. I chose what I wanted, said what I wanted, and as I said, I wanted it, I knew that meant, I want that. I want to have that next. And had a flash of me with it, as I said it. That is the end scene he's talking about. I just saw my end scene of my desire, and I did it automatically by using my words and using that dominant thought. That said, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want, and the thing I want. And seeing myself as having it. Easy, right? So how about for money? An example would be, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want free money now. I want free money to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want manifesting money to be easy for me now. So easy. I chose what I wanted from all that is, which is free money. I said I wanted it and claimed it by my dominant thought that says, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. Then, as I said it, I saw myself with money, having money. An end scene flash of me with money. And yes, it can manifest instantly then. If you did these 3 steps and left that desire as is, on a good positive note, and feeling like, yes, I will have it, it will happen, then it would happen. Then you'd get internally led. You led to it, or it led and brought or given to you. This is what he calls a bridge of incidents, and it feels normal and natural as it's happening. That is a pure desire. Doing the 3 steps and leaving it as is. What goes wrong is the bad thoughts about your desire later or after that. Any thoughts after the 3 steps that say, I won't have it, it won't happen, are the reason it's not manifesting. So what do? We continue to convince ourselves that we can say what we want and that it can happen. You can convince yourself by reminding yourself and saying how your thoughts create, how everything is a story. And any thought or story made dominant ends up becoming true. So the story and dominant thought that you want to become true is, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want and the thing you want. And make that mean, if I say that, it means I want to have it. Even if I just said what I wanted and saw myself as having it for 5 minutes or less as I said it, then it is possible it can manifest fast and easy. I want that means I want to have that. So then you are continuing to focus on what you do want to have, over and over again, every time it comes to mind until it manifests. You continue to convince yourself, if you say a wanted story about your desire, that it will happen and you will have it. You use words that make you feel like your desire will happen. If you want to know more about what a wanted story is, see my video in the description box below. By assuming every time I say that thought, plus what I want, plus a flash of me having it, that it means I want that to manifest next, then it does. So when Neville Goddard says, assume the wish fulfilled, that's what you're doing. You're assuming by doing the 3 steps your wish will be fulfilled and happen. And so then it does. It goes the 3 steps first, internally led and guided second. Your thoughts are the key. Your thoughts allow you to choose what you want and also convince yourself that you will have it. So learn to master that and you get your desires fast and easy. Neville Goddard says, feel the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and feeling is the secret. That means by doing the 3 steps, you feel like and assume that means my desire will happen. It's going to happen since I did the steps. So you feel like it will happen. Your internal state of being is in the state of having it, having your desire. That is the wish fulfilled. The same feeling as the wish fulfilled. Feeling it will happen, and you will have it, is the feeling is the secret he's talking about. For any desire, decide what you want, say what you want, and see yourself as having what you want. Feel inside that it will happen and that you will have it. Every technique in law of attraction and manifesting exists just for that reason, to help try to convince you that you will have your desire and that it will happen. So let's make manifesting easy and also include all of Neville Goddard's teachings by assuming, deciding, and saying, every time I do the 3 steps, it means I will have my desire, and it will happen. What's a mental diet then? It's keeping that thought about your desire pure and focused on, it will happen. I will have it. Your desires have so many bad thoughts, memories, negative expectations about it, that for most desires, it is hard to just say a desire you want, and by doing so, assume that means it'll happen and you'll have it. But that is possible. I've seen it happen firsthand many times. How about a real-life example? You did the 3 steps for a long-term relationship and marriage. You 1. Decided that you want a long-term relationship and marriage. 2. Said you wanted it. I want a long-term relationship and marriage. And by saying it is when you focused on it. Saying what you want makes you focus on it. Then you saw a person with you, maybe on one knee proposing to you. You saw the end scene of you having your desire. Then you felt and convinced yourself, yes, I said I want that and feel like I will have it, and that it will happen, because I said I want it. Great. Now I move on and do other things, and I'll get internally led. That is the steps in a clear, direct, pure form. If it didn't manifest from that, it means you have bad thoughts about it, that in some way say, imply, and have a focus on, I don't have it, won't have it, and it won't happen. Those thoughts and focus on what you see behind those words is the problem. So it's then mastering the 3 steps and making them remain clear and pure, even after time has passed. Understand and master the 3 steps to manifesting, and you automatically are doing everything Neville Goddard's teachings is talking about. but fast and easy. You don't need to visualize for hours and hours and script all day every day. You just need to say a desire you want, focus on it as you say it, and know by doing so that it will happen and you will have it. And work on mastering that. I've had everything manifest this way. Why? Because I did the 3 steps and had no contradictory opposite thoughts about my desire after. I felt by saying what I want that I'd have it. I want a girlfriend. I want a girlfriend to come to me and find me exactly where I am. It manifested. I want free money. It manifested. I say, I want, and the thing I want, and as I do, I see myself as having it, with it, given to me. And if I can't see anything, I know, because I said I want it, and said, I say what I want and it happens, I always get what I want, and my desire, that I know it will happen, and I'll have it. And I trust that. And now I've had so many proven results that I know this can work for any and all desires. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.